guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay, and guys, today in this video, in this session, we are gonna continue something which I could not able to complete in my previous video. Okay, so guys, in this video we are gonna continue, okay, which we have left in the previous video. Okay, so let me just show you what I left in the previous video and I could not complete in that video. Okay, so this is the continuation part of the previous video. Okay, so if you have not watched my previous 3 videos on React.js, then please guys, I would like to request you, I would like to recommend you that please go back and please watch my all previous videos on React.js. Then only you will be able to get this video, then only you will be able to understand this video. Okay, because guys, we all know that we are on a journey to become a dynamic and great React.js developer in coming 3 to 4 months, and I have promised you, I have given you my word also, that it's my duty to make you an awesome and dynamic React.js developer in coming 3 to 4 months. Okay, so guys, if you want this to become true, guys, you have to work on yourself a lot as well. Then only you will be able to become a great and dynamic React.js developer in coming 3 to 4 months. Okay, provided guys, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and you have to watch all my videos from starting to end thoroughly and patiently. Then only you will be able to understand, then only you will be able to learn that what is a React and how to build your career as a React.js developer in coming 3 to 4 months. Okay guys, you can be front-end developer, you can be back-end developer, you can be native app developer using React.js. Okay, so guys, like I told you that we are on a journey to become a great and dynamic React.js developer in coming 3 to 4 months. So this is the 4th video in that series of React.js. Okay, so guys, like I mentioned you already, that this is the continuation part of the last video. In that video I left one section, so in this video I am gonna complete that section as well. Okay, so let me just show you which section I left in the next last video, and I'm gonna complete in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me just go to the example first. Okay, so guys, you can see here I have explained you this first method to display the dynamic card using React.js in my previous video. Okay, so this is the first method, and you can see here 3 ways to display dynamic cards in React.js. Okay, so this is the first method, and it says card component JSX mapping or array mapping in JSX. Okay, so this was completed in my previous video. If you have not watched it, just go and watch my previous video, because this video is based on my previous video entirely. Okay, so this is the second method, and it says card component by using spirit operator or object spirit operator. So this is the second method, and using this method I have displayed dynamic cards in React.js. Okay, so if you have not watched my previous video, again you have to go and watch my previous video, then only you will be able to get this video, and then only you will be able to learn and understand that how to display, how to look through the object, how to look through the array of object, and how to display dynamic cards using this first method and using this second method. Okay, so guys, in this video, in this session, we are gonna complete this third method to display dynamic cards in React.js. Okay, so guys, In this video we will be learning the third method to display the dynamic cards in React.js. Okay, so guys, here you can see here we have got 6 user profile card, and the first profile card is Prabhat Pandit, and he is a developer. This is the description, this is the experience, and this is the age. Okay, let me just refresh the page. I will explain you later on what it is. Okay, so this is the first profile. This is the second profile of Priya Kumari, and she is a Java developer. Description is Java developer at Infosys Technologies. Experience is 3 years, age is 20. And this is the third user profile card, Deepak Kumar. Profile is React.js developer, and description is this. Experience is 4 years, age is 29, and he is this is the fourth user profile card, Ram Kumar Yadav. Profile is Angular developer. This is the description, this is the experience, and this is the age. Okay, and this is the fifth user profile card, Riya Kumari Sharma. Profile is web developer. Description, web developer at L&T, and experience is 3 years, and age is 27. And this is the last user profile card of Pankaj Kumar Sharma. Okay, he is a Vue.js developer. Description is Vue developer at Avetu, and experience is 3 years, and age is 27. Okay, so guys, like we can see here, we have got 6 user profile card. Okay, and guys, the moment you will click on any of the user profile card, you will be able to see that clicked profile card here above. Okay, here. Okay, so you will be able to see the currently clicked profile card by the user here. Okay, so whenever you will click on any of the card, okay guys, whenever you will click on any of these 6 card, okay, you will be able to see that particular clicked card here. Okay, here. So guys, now I'm gonna click randomly on any of the card just to see see that card here. Okay, so just click any of the card, okay, randomly. You are free to click any of the card randomly. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this card, Riya Kumari Sharma. Okay, she is a web developer, so click it. So you can see here this card is now active because it has got a background color, and the text is also white, which shows that it is currently active. The Riya Kumari profile card is currently active, and guys, we can see here the same user profile card is also here. Okay, it's also here. Okay, so click Prabhat Pandit. See, the same clicked card or active card is also here. Click Priya Kumari profile card. See, you can see here the same image is here. Name is Priya Kumari, and this is the description. Okay, and you can see here this card is currently active. This card is currently clicked by the user. Okay, so click on Deepak Kumar profile card. So see, boom guys, you can see here the same user profile image and the name of the user, and this is the description. Okay, and you can see here this card is currently clicked because it has got a background color, and the text is white. Okay, which shows that it is currently clicked, it is currently active. Okay, so click on Pankaj Kumar Sharma profile card. See, it's now active, it's now clicked, and you can see here the same profile card here also of the same user. This is the image. You can see here this image is name is Pankaj Kumar Sharma. You can see here name is Pankaj Kumar Sharma, and description is Vue developer at Avetu. So you can see here the same description, Vue developer at Avetu. Okay, so click on Ram Kumar Yadav profile card. So you can see here currently this card is selected of Ram Kumar Yadav, and you can see here the same image. Okay, this image is also have been displayed here, and you can see here the name Ram Kumar Yadav, and description is Angular developer at L&T. Okay, so click anywhere. It's fully dynamic and fully reactive. Okay, because we are learning here React.js, which says it's reactive. Okay, see, it's fully reactive and fully dynamic. Okay, so guys, in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn this second method to display the dynamic cards. Okay, in React.js. Not only this, we are also gonna learn that how this is gonna happen whenever you will click on any of the user profile card, how we can show the same profile card, same active profile card here on the top, okay, using React.js. Okay, so you can see here, clicked here, this is clicked, this is clicked, sorry guys, this is clicked. See the same profile card, Riya Kumari Sharma, you can see here Riya Kumari Sharma, click, you can see Ram Kumar Yadav, Pankaj Kumar Sharma, see, okay. So guys, now in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn this, okay. So guys, let me just explain you one more time that this method have been already explained, have been already taught in my previous video. If you have not watched it, please go and watch my previous video, and this method is also have been taught in my previous video. If you have not watched my previous video already, just go and watch, okay. Let me just show you which video you have to watch, okay. So guys, this video you have to watch, okay. This video code editor. So guys, in this video, in this session, we are going to use here VS Code editor to write our code, okay, because it has got live and complete guide to props and JSX, okay. So guys, not only you will learn how to display the cards, dynamic cards in React.js, but a complete guide to props and JSX in React.js also have been taught in this video, in this session, okay. So guys, you must watch this video with the title creating dynamic cards in React.js, complete guide to props and JSX, okay. Guys, you must watch it, because in this video, in this session, I have explained guys each and everything. You can see here this video is of the length 2.25 okay hours, okay. So it's a long video because I have explained each and everything to the code, to the depth of dynamic cards display, okay, props and JSX in React.js. So it's a must watch video for beginners if you want to build your career in React.js, okay. Then you must watch this video creating dynamic cards in React.js, complete guide to props and JSX, okay. So you should watch this video, okay. So let's just go back, okay. So guys, I explained you. So now in this video, what we are going to learn, so guys, this video will be very informative and very learning as well, okay. I'm like I hope guys you will definitely learn something new, something extra, something unique from this video, from this session, okay, with me, Prabhat Pandit, okay. So guys, now let's get started and let's learn, okay. But guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also, okay. And please guys, like on my videos I'm sorry, like on my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, as well as service now, okay. So guys, it's a request guys, from a friend to a friend, it's a request from a brother to a brother, okay. Please guys, I need your help, I need your support. And guys, the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and is by liking all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation, okay. Please guys, it's a humble request from a friend to a friend, from a brother to a brother, okay. Please guys, please support me and promote me, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, okay. And guys, let me guys, one thing I would like to tell you guys, if you feel guys my voice is too low, if you feel my voice is not audible to you, then please guys, please use headphone to listen to my voice, okay. Then only you will be able to get this video completely and thoroughly, okay. Please guys, please use headphone, okay. And please try to avoid background voices, try to avoid background noises, because I'm recording this video at my home, so there will be some family talking in the background, okay. So you should be avoiding this. Just focus on the learning part, just focus on the great part of this video, of this session, okay. So guys, now let's get started and let's learn this third method to display dynamic cards in React.js along with this functionality, this feature. Okay, whenever user will click on any of the card, that active card will be shown here. Okay, like this. Okay, okay. Sorry. Okay, so it's active Riya Kumari Sharma. You can see here also Pankaj Kumar Sharma. You can see here also Pankaj Kumar Sharma, Prabhat Pandit, Priya Kumari, and Deepak Kumar and Deepak Kumar. Okay. So guys, I'm damn sure that this video will be informative, learning as well as entertaining. Okay, because in this video we are gonna learn how to display dynamic cards. Okay, and this is the third method. I have explained you, I have taught you the second method and the first method in the previous video, and I showed you the video as well. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. And please guys, support me and promote me by subscribing to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. Okay, with me ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to the VS Code editor. So I'm using here VS Code editor to write my code because it has got a live server which makes little easier, okay, to code and refresh the page. Okay, so the moment you will refresh, save your code, the moment you will save your file, the page will be already refreshed and you don't have to refresh the page again and again. You don't have to reload the page again and again. Okay, so this is the beauty, this is the advantage of using VS Code. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now let's just go to the VS Code editor. So create a new page first. So I'm going to create a new page. I'll say here third method of display card. Okay, .html. So save your code. This is it. So I'm going to create here HTML first. HTML. Okay, so guys, like I told you already that my system is behaving little weird. Okay, so it might take some extra time. Okay, so I hope you will bear with me and you will just focus on the learning part. Okay, so HTML5. Okay, so I'm going to give here the title first. So I'll say here code with ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, I'm sorry. So guys, by now you all know that my name is Prabhat Pandit and I am a software developer. I am currently working as a service now developer at Happiest Minds, and I have got more than 4 years of experience in software development. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, first of all, we need some CDN link in order to work this file. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Okay, so I'm going to the previous example just to copy the CDN link from there. Okay, so let me just go to the example. So this is the example. So copy these CDN links from here and just paste here. Okay, and I have written the comment also here. So you can see here Bootstrap 5 CSS CDN. Okay, so this is the CSS file for I'm sorry. Okay, I'm extremely sorry. Okay, so this is the CSS file for bootstrap.min.css, and it has got inside the folder assets and inside the folder CSS. Okay, so and there is a file called bootstrap.min.css. Okay, and this is the React and React DOM CDN links. Okay, so you can see here there is a folder called assets, and in that folder I have got another folder called JS, and in that folder I have got a file called react.development.js. Okay, so this is the JS file for React. Okay, and I'm using here the CDN to learn React. Okay, to teach you React, to explain you React. Okay, and this is the another file for React DOM.development.js, and it is also inside the folder JS and inside the folder assets. Okay, so this is it, and this is the CDN link for Babel. Okay, so it is going to transpile the JSX file back in plain JavaScript, which will be compiled by our JavaScript browser, JavaScript engine. Okay, so that's why we use here Babel. Okay, and it is a browser version of Babel, and it is also inside the folder asset, inside the folder JS, and there is a file called bevel.min.js. Okay, so guys, this is it. We are done with the CDN links, and now our file should work fine and perfectly. Okay, so guys, now first of all I'm going to create here the container div, the wrapper div, where React.js is going to inject the code, is going to inject the output for us, for users. Okay, so I'm going to create a wrapper div, a container div. Okay, so now I'm going to create it a div. Just close this, and I'm going to give here the ID as a root. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to write the comment also inside this, so that you will get it what I'm doing here and what React is going to do here. Okay, so here React will inject the result, okay, or output for us. Okay, so this is it. Okay, we are done with the HTML part, and now I'm going to create here script tag. Okay, so I'm going to create here below this div, I'm going to create here script tag and script. I'm sorry, so close this script first. Okay, so we have to specify the type here. Okay, so we have to say here type equal to text slash bevel. Okay, bevel, because we are using here the browser version of bevel, so we have to mention this type. I'm sorry, we have to mention this type as well. Okay, so type equal to text slash bevel. Okay, so this is it now, and now we have to create our parent component in React.js. Okay, and guys, I have explained you many times in my previous videos also that how to create the parent component in React.js. Okay, I hope you know, and I hope how to create it. Okay, if you don't know, I'm going to explain you here one more time. Okay, so we have to say here const, I'll give here app. I'm going to use here the fat arrow function. Okay, for the concise. Okay, so fat arrow function is very concise. Okay, so I'm going to use here the fat arrow function. I'll say here like this, open and closing parenthesis. So now inside this we have to return all the things from this parent component by saying return and open and closing parenthesis. So close it. So this is it, and you can see here we have to use here it's compulsory, it's mandatory to use one wrapper div or one container div or JSX fragments. Okay, you are free guys to use the container div or the wrapper div or the JSX fragments. Okay, so I'm going to use here the wrapper div. Okay, inside this return, it is compulsory, because you can see here it is showing us red mark below this, which means you have to use here the container div or the wrapper div inside this return statement. Okay, okay, so I'm going to use here the container div or the wrapper div. So I'll give here class. Okay, so class name I'll give here container, because guys, you know that to provide the CSS classes in React, we have to use the class name instead of class. Okay, because class is a reserved key in JavaScript, so for that reason we have to use here class name to provide the CSS classes on the tag on the element. Okay, in React.js. Okay, so I'll say here margin top also 5. I'll give here margin bottom also 5. Okay, so you can see here error is gone now. So now we have to mount. Okay guys, now we have to mount this container, I mean this parent component. Okay, this parent component to this container div. Okay, we have to mount it, we have to attach it. Okay, we have to connect it. Okay, we have to connect this div, okay, this wrapper div or container div with this React parent component. Okay, with this React parent component. So to do that, what we generally do, we say here I'm going to create here a const. I'll say here container. Okay, container, I'll say here document dot get element by ID, and you can see here I have given the ID as a root to this container div, to this wrapper div. Okay, so use this root from here as a ID and paste it here. I'm sorry, and again I have to create another const. So I'll say here const, I'll say here root, I'll say here React DOM. Okay, React DOM dot create. Okay, create root. Okay, and we have to provide this container as a parameter to this function. So this is it, and now we have to say here that root. Okay, root dot render. Okay, render. So guys, what to render, guys? What to render? We have to render this parent component with the app. Okay, so we have to say here like this. Okay, and you can say here, you can see here we have to close it as well, because it's compulsory to close all the tag, all the elements, whether it is a self-closing tag or anything. You have to close it. It's compulsory, it's mandatory in React.js. Okay, so close it. So you can see here error is gone now. So now guys, okay, this wrapper div, this container div have been mounted or have been connected, okay, to this React parent component by this. Okay, so guys, to check this, that this div have been connected, have been mounted with this container, I mean with this parent component. With this parent component, what we generally do, we generally perform some calculation. So I'm gonna show you 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So guys, ideally we should be getting here 16. Okay, if our this parent component have been connected or mounted with this div. Okay, so just save your code, go live. Okay, so as you can see here, we can see here only 4444. Why? Okay, why guys? I'm sorry, why guys? Because it's compulsory, it's necessary to put anything inside the open and closing curly braces if we are working with the React.js. So I'm gonna enclose it, I'm gonna put this calculation, I mean this expression inside the open and closing curly braces. Okay, so this is it. Okay, save your code, go to the browser, and now see the magic. See, boom guys, now you can see here we got 16. This shows that, okay, this shows that our this div have been connected, have been mounted with this parent component of Vue.js, I mean React.js. Okay, so I'm sorry guys, sometime I will say Vue.js, sometime I will say JavaScript, sometime I will say React.js, because I have taught you Vue also and JavaScript also. So I'm sorry for this, but gradually I'll come to the React.js only. Okay, so React.js. Okay, I hope you will get me, you will understand me. Okay, so guys, now you can see here our code is doing great, our application is doing fine, and you can see here the 16. Okay, 16. Okay, so now just remove it. Okay, so we are gonna learn something dynamic, something awesome. Okay, so first of all guys, I'm gonna create here two variable. Okay, so I'm gonna create here two variable. First of all, I'll say here const, I'll say here header. Okay, I'm gonna create here the header variable for the page. Okay, so I'll say here sorry, welcome to my, okay, welcome to say just React JS. Okay, classes with Prabhat Pandit. Okay, Prabhat Pandit, and this will be the class of 4. Okay, this will be the class of 5th, I guess. Okay, so 5th. Okay, 5th. Okay, so now guys, we have created our first variable in React.js, and its value is welcome to React.js classes with Prabhat Pandit, and this is the class number 5th. Okay, so guys, to display, okay, to display this message on the browser to the UI, what guys, what we have to do? So as of now, just save your code and go to the browser and see the output. See guys, it's blank, it's empty, nothing is showing. Why? Because we have not, okay, shown this header variable value to the user, to the browser. So to do that, what we generally do here, I'm gonna create here a variable, I mean a div, a container div. So I'll give here class name as a margin top 4 and margin bottom also 4. I'll give here 4. I'll give here text center. Okay, so this is it. So close this div, and inside this div I'm gonna use here h1 element. Okay, so h1 I'm gonna use here, and close this h1. I'll just say here open and closing curly braces, because it's compulsory to use open and closing curly braces in React if you want to show the variable expression value to the browser, to the user. Okay, so copy this header variable from here and just put it inside this open and closing braces. Save your code and go to the browser and see the magic. See, boom guys, you can see guys here, welcome to React.js classes with Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, you can see we got the output on the browser. Okay, so now the next variable is, let me just see what is the next variable. So you can say 3 ways to display dynamic cards in React.js. Okay, so I'm gonna create here subtitle variable. So I'll just say here const, I'll say here subtitle equal to, I'll just say here 3, I'll just say here third. Okay, third method. Okay, third method. Okay, so I'll say here third method to display dynamic okay cards in React.js. Okay, so this is it. Close it. Okay, so we have to show this subtitle value. So what we have to do, we have to just copy this div. Okay, it's up to you, and I'm gonna make it little smaller. So I'll say here h3 and h3. Okay, and just copy this subtitle value from here and just paste it here. Okay, okay, so guys, now just save your code, and I mean not this code, yeah, just save your code and go to the browser and see the output. Okay, so you can see here third method to display dynamic cards in React.js have been displayed. Okay, so guys, now congratulations, now you know that how to display the variable value, okay, to the browser using React.js, and now you know how to create the variable in React.js and how to show the value of the variable to the browser. Okay, so you can see here this is the variable, and this is the third method to display the dynamic cards in React.js. Okay, I have taught you other two methods in my previous video itself. Okay, if you have not watched it, just watch this video. Okay, creating dynamic cards. Okay, creating dynamic cards in React.js complete guide to props and JSX. Okay, watch this video. Okay, very carefully and very patiently. Okay, so now just come here, and now we are gonna display first these 6 cards. Okay, they are gonna display now first these 6 cards. Okay, so to do that, what we have to do, we are gonna create here an object. Okay, so below this const subtitle, I'm gonna create here object. Okay, so I'll say here const. Okay, const, I'll say here card. Okay, card data equal to square bracket. Okay, and inside this we will be creating the objects. Okay, so I'll just see here open and closing curly braces. I'll just see here title, it's title. Okay, so I'll say here title as a I'll give here I'll say here developer. Okay, it's up to you to define anything as a title. I'll give here name as a er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, Prabhat Pandit, put comma, and I'll just give here the description also. So I'll say here description, put colon. I'll just say here service now. Okay, service now. Okay, service now developer at happiest minds technology. Okay, okay, this is it, put comma, and I'll just say here profile pic. Okay, profile pic. Okay, so I'm going to define here the image path. Okay, so let me just show you the folder where I have saved some of the images, okay, for this project. Okay, so let me just go to the folder first. So guys, this is the folder called React projects. Okay, and in that folder I have got assets. Okay, and in that folder I have got a images folder, and in that folder I have got some images for this project. Okay, so for the Prabhat, I'm gonna copy this image name from here. So copy it from here, and just say here assets inside images. Okay, and just paste this image name. Okay, so this is it. I'll give here experience, put colon. I'll give here 4 years. Okay, 4 years, put capital Y. Okay, so 4 years, put comma, and I'll just give here the age also. I'll give age here 28. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, sorry, so guys, you know how to create the object in JavaScript. Okay, so guys, this is the way of creating the object. Okay, so guys, this is the key, and this is the value. Okay, this is the key. Sometimes some people also call it property. Okay, so this is the property, title is property, name is property, description is a property, profile pic is a property, experience is a property, and age is a property, and this is known as the value, this is known as the value, this is known as the value. Okay, this is known as the value, and this is known as the value. Okay, so guys, okay, key and value, key and value. Okay, 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 so guys, this is the way of creating the object in JavaScript, in React.js also, in Angular also, and in Vue.js also. Okay, so this is the only way of creating the object inside any JavaScript library, any JavaScript framework. Okay, so guys, just to save our little bit of time, guys, just to save our little bit of time, I am going to copy this, okay, object from the previous example, just to save a little bit of time. Okay, although I have explained you that how to create the object inside the React.js. Okay guys, I have explained you very well to the deep, to the code also, and for the sake of some time saving, I am going to the previous example just to copy these object, okay, from the previous example. Okay, so I'm going to the example now. So guys, this is the example. I'm going to the copy, okay, these objects from here. Okay, so copy it from here, and just go to the code, and just replace it or paste it here. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, I've explained you, like just wait for few seconds. Let me just arrange this. Okay, so let me just explain you. So guys, okay, so this is the first object. Okay, this is the first object. Okay, you can say element also. So this is the first element, this is the second element. Okay, this is the third element. Okay, and this is the fourth element, this is the fifth element. Okay, and this is the sixth element. Okay, so like I explained you already, so this is the title, developer name er Prabhat Pandit, description is this service now developer at happiest minds, and profile pic is this assets images, and profile.jpg experience is 4 years and age is 30. So guys, likewise, okay, likewise for all the elements, okay, for these elements also, for these elements also, and for these elements also, and for these elements also, you can see title, name, description, profile pic, experience and age. Okay, so this side guys, okay, so guys, left side is known as the key. Okay guys, always remember, left side is known as the key. Okay, so title is the key, name is the key, description is the key, profile pic is the key, experience is the key, and age is the key. So sorry, Vue.js developer is the value, Pankaj Kumar Sharma is the value for this key, name key. So Vue developer at Avato is the value for this description key. This is the image path is the value for profile pic, and 3 years is the experience for the value of experience property, and age is this 27 is the value for this age key or property. Okay, so guys, I hope guys I've explained you to the code to the deep. Okay, and like I have explained you already that how to create objects inside React.js. Okay, so guys, now we will just look through this card data. Okay, this card data to show the card. Okay, to show the card like this. Okay, to show the card like this. Okay, so just come up here and we are gonna look through now. Okay, we are gonna look through now this card data object. Okay, so guys, now just be patient, okay, and watch the entire video very carefully and very patiently. Okay, and please guys, if you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys, okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also. Guys, it's a request from a friend to a friend, it's a request from a brother to a brother, that please guys subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also. Okay, please guys, please, it's a request, it's a humble request. Okay, I need your support, I need your help, and the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, so this is it. So come up here now. So now we are gonna look through this card data, and I explained you this is the first element, this is the second element, up to the sixth element of this card data object. Okay, so now we are gonna look through it now, this card data. So just come up here. Below this, I'm gonna create a div first. Okay, sorry, so I'm gonna create here a div, and I'll just give here the class name as a, I'll just give here the row. Okay, so I'll say here row, and just open this div, and inside this div just copy this card data variable name from here, because it is an object. So we are going to look through this card data, and I showed you it has got 6 elements. Okay, so just come down, and inside this we will just see here, we all know that we have to use here the open and closing curly braces to show the variable value, to show the expressions value to the browser. Okay, so we will just open this, and inside this we will see here, I'm gonna say here that this card data dot, I'm gonna use here the map method. Okay, so this is very famous method of JavaScript. Okay, which is used to look through the array or the array of objects. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Okay, I'm extremely sorry for my voice. Okay, today I'm extremely sorry for this. Okay, so it takes one necessary parameter. This map takes one callback function. Okay, it takes one callback function, and that callback function take at least one necessary parameter. Okay, so we are gonna use here the filter function. So I'll say here like I'll just say here item. Okay, item, and I'll pass the index also. Okay, I'll pass the index also, and I'm gonna use here the filter function. So like this, so this is it. Okay, and now you can see guys, it is showing all the things. Okay, you can see here it is going to show all the things which index we have, like what we are gonna say. See, it says title, name, description, profile pic, experience, age. Again it says title, string, name, description, profile pic, up to the last element of this object. Okay, up to the last element of this object. Okay, you can see here it is showing here. Okay, it is showing here also. Okay, see, it's showing here also. Okay, so it is showing here also. Okay, so now we will just see here. I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, inside this div I'll say here, I'll just give the class name. First of all, let me just close this div. I'll just give the class name as a I'll just say here call lg4. Okay, and I'll just say here call xl4 also. Okay, call xl4, and I'll just give the id. Okay, so it's very important to give the key attribute also. Okay, so I'll say here key equal to open and closing braces, and I'll pass the index as a key value. Okay, so I explained you in my previous video that why we give here key attribute. Okay, whenever we are looping through anything in React.js, in Vue.js also, in Angular.js also, as well as in React.js also, it is very important, it is very crucial to provide the key attribute whenever you are looping through anything. Okay, it's very important. I have explained you in my previous video why we give key attribute. Okay, so just go to the previous video and watch it. Okay, I'm not gonna explain it here. Okay, otherwise it will take a lot of time. Okay, and video will be longer, video will be little extra larger. Okay, so I'll say here this is it. Okay, and inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so I'll just say here div. First of all, just close this div. Okay, and inside this div I'm gonna say here, okay, I'm gonna give here the class name as a card. Okay, as a card, class name as a card. I'll give here margin top I'm sorry, I'll give here margin bottom also 4. Okay, so this is it. Open this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here the first img element. Okay, so I'll say here just okay, let it be wrapper div also, it's fine also. So I'll just give here class name as a img container. Okay, so img container, this is it. And inside this div I'm gonna create here the img element. So I'll say here img src equal to open and closing braces, and I'll just give here the class name also as a img fluid. Okay, img fluid, I'll give here the another class as a thumbnail. Okay, so this is it. We have to close it. You can see here it's showing the red line below this img element. Okay, which says you have to close it. Okay, because it is a self-closing tag, so we have to close it like this. Okay, okay, so now what we will say here, we will just say here item. Okay, this item dot, okay, to show the image, what we will say here, we will just say here profile pic. Okay, so copy this profile pic from here, and we will say here like this item. Okay, this item, okay, dot profile pic to show the image. Okay, so if everything is okay, if everything is cool, we would be able to see the image on the browser. Okay, so save your code and go to the browser and see. Boom guys, see, we can see the image now. Okay, see, boom guys, our code works. Guys, you can see our code works. Okay, okay, so we have to make it like this. Okay, so we have to show the name also, we have to show the profile also, we have to show the description also, we have to show the experience also, we have to show the age also. Okay, so guys, now see guys, our code is doing great, it's doing fine, we can see the image. Okay, okay, so now we have to make it like this. Okay, make it like this. So come here, and just below this div, okay, of image container, I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, as a parent div, I'll just give the class name as a card body. Okay, so just card body, and just close this div. This is it. Okay, and open this div, and inside this div I'm gonna create here h2 element. Okay, so h2 element, so just close this h2 first, and I'm gonna give the class name also. So I'll say here class name as a card title. Yep, yeah, card title, and I'll just say here card title, I'll just say here open and closing braces, because we all know that to show the output of the variable of the expression of the method, we have to use open and closing braces in React.js. Okay, so this is it. So copy this item from here, and I'll say here dot what we will say here dot name to show the name. Okay, like name Iya Prabhat Pandit, like name Priya Kumari, name Deepak Kumar, name Ram Kumar Yadav, name Riya Kumari Sharma, and name Pankaj Kumar Sharma. To show this, copy this key or the property name from here, and just say this item. Okay, this item dot name. Okay, so save your code and go to the browser and see the magic. See, boom, guys, you can see here we have got here ER Prabhat Pandit, Priya Kumari, Deepak Kumar, okay, Ram Kumar Yadav, Riya Kumari Sharma, and Pankaj Kumar Sharma. See, boom, guys, our code works and it is doing fantastic. It is doing awesome. Okay, so we have to make it like this. Yep, so come here, and now we will show the profile, description, experience, and age as well. Okay, so come up here and just go to the code, and below this h2 I'm gonna create here h5 element. Okay, so I'll say here h5 and close this h5 first. Yep, and just give the class name also. So I'll say here class name equal to card title. Okay, and I'll just say here I'm gonna create here a strong element. Okay, so I'll say here strong. So close this. Yep, and we will just say here that profile. Okay, so profile, put a space, put colon, put little bit of space, and just little bit of space, and say here open and closing braces to show the profile. So we will say here item. Okay, item dot to show the title. What we will say here, we will just copy this title key from here, or the properties from here. Okay, like title web developer, Vue.js developer, title Angular developer, title React developer, title Java developer, title and developer. Okay, to show this, copy this title from here key. Okay, and just say here item dot title. Okay, so now save your code, go to the browser and see the output. See, the profile is developer, Java developer, React developer, Angular developer, web developer, and Vue.js developer. Okay, like this. Okay, like this, profile Java developer, React developer, profile Vue.js developer, profile web developer. Okay, like this we are showing here also. So now again come to the code, and below this h5 element I'm gonna create here para element. Okay, so para, close this p tag first. Yep, so I'll just give here the class name also. I'm sorry, I'm extremely sorry. So I'll say here, sorry guys, my voice is little disturbed today. I'm extremely sorry for this. Okay, I hope you will forgive me. Okay, so I'll just say here card. I'll just say here card text. Okay, as a class. So just copy this strong from here. It will save a lot of time. So paste inside this, give a space, and to show here I'll just say here description. Okay, to show the description. Okay, so I'll say here des to show the description. So now we will say here open and closing braces, copy this item from here, paste it here, say dot, and to show the description, just copy this description key from here, or the property from here, to show the Vue developer at Avatu, to show the web developer at LNT, to show the Angular developer at LNT, to show the React developer at InfoBeans, to show the Java developer at Infosys Technology, to show the ServiceNow developer at Happiest Minds. Okay, so copy this description key from here, or the property, okay, from here, and just say here this item dot name. So paste it here. So save your code, go to the browser and see the output. See, boom, guys, you can see here, I'm sorry, you can see here description is ServiceNow developer at Happiest Minds, description is Java developer at Infosys Technology, description is React developer at InfoBeans. Okay, description is Angular developer at LNT, description is web developer at LNT, description is Vue developer at Avatu. Okay, so like this. Okay, like this we are showing each and everything here also. Yep, yeah. So now just come up here, and I'm gonna say here, guys, let me just say here, just go to the example first, and just copy the I'll just copy the CSS from here. Okay, I'll just copy. I'm sorry guys, my voice is a little disturbed today, so I hope you will forgive me for this. Okay, so I'll just come up here. Okay, so copy this extra class thumbnail from here, go into head section, and very quickly create a style element. Okay, okay, so we will just say here, just put paste it. So we will just say here, width 100%. Okay, okay, so save your code, go to the browser, and just refresh the page. Okay, so now, okay, so guys, now we can see here, every image is looking fine and fantastic. Okay, so we have to give here the overflow also, to so on this image I'm gonna give here the another class overflow hidden. Okay, so save your code, and just it's okay, so okay, so come up to this. Okay, so give here overflow hidden. Okay, so overflow, although copy from here the same class. Okay, so just paste it here. So now just okay, so it's still I want to make it look like this. Okay, so see, you can see here there is a border radius also. Okay, so I want to make it like look like this. Okay, so just we have to say here, okay, overflow hidden. So where is the class card? Okay, so just say here overflow hidden. Okay, so overflow hidden. Yeah, now you can see we got the nice, okay, border radius also, nice little border radius. Okay, you can see. Okay, so just very quickly we will show all the experience and age also. Okay, so very quickly I'm gonna show this also. So below this P, I'm gonna copy this P element from here only, and just paste it two more times. Okay, so now I will just say here experience. Okay, so I'll say here exp to show the experience, and we will just remove this, and we will just remove this. Okay, so to show the experience we will say here item dot to show the experience. So we have to copy this experience property or the key. Okay, so copy this experience to show 3 years, 4 years, 3 years, 3 years, and 3 years. Okay, so let me just make it like some 1 year also, some 10 year also. Okay, and some like 2 years also. Okay, okay, so copy this experience, and we will just say here item, this item dot experience to show the experience, and here we will just show the age also. So we will say here item, okay, dot this age key or the property to show 27, 27, 29, 29. So make little 20 also. Okay, so make some 20 also. Okay, 25, okay, 22. Okay, it should be different. Okay, so 20, make it like 40. Okay, make it 40. Okay, so copy this age from here, and just say item dot age to show the age. Okay, so now save your code, go to the browser, and now you can see guys, now we have shown all the things. Okay, so name is here Prabhat Pandit, Priya Kumari, Deepak Kumar, okay, Ram Kumar Yadav, Riya Kumari Sharma, and Pankaj Sharma. So sorry, profile is developer, profile is Java developer, profile is React developer, profile is Angular developer, profile is Web developer, profile is Vue.js developer. This is the description, this is the description, experience and age, description, experience and age. Okay, Okay, so we have shown each and everything, description, experience, age, description, experience and age, description, ex description, experience and age. Okay, so we have shown here each and everything. Okay, like this. So we have to show the button also, learn more. Okay, so just come up here and sorry, I'm extremely sorry guys today for my voice. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I hope you will forgive me. Okay, so very quickly I'm gonna create here the div. Okay, create a div and just give the class name I'm sorry, class name as a button container, so btn container. Okay, so open this div, open this div, and inside this div I'll just say here button element. I'll just create here button. Okay, button, close this button very quickly and just give the class name also. So I'll just say here btn, I'll just say here primary. Okay, primary. So this is it. I'll just give the text as a learn more. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser and just refresh the page. See, boom guys. So let me just write the text also, because this is the third method to show the dynamic cards in React.js. Okay, so let me just copy this text from here. Okay, this text from here, and just go to the code, and below this I'll just paste it. Okay, inside the h1 element only. So h2, give h2. Okay, so close this and just okay, so come up here. Yeah, we can see here the third method to display the dynamic cards in React.js. Okay, so guys, now we have to make it clickable also. Like you can see here, whenever user will click on any of the card, it is going to show that this card is active. Okay, it is going to show that this card is active. Okay, on which currently you have clicked. Okay, okay, so how to do this, how to achieve this feature, this functionality. Okay, in our code also we are gonna do that now. Okay, so pay attention and be very focused and watch this video very patiently. And if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys do subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also. Okay, so just come up here, go to the code. We are gonna now achieve this feature clickable. Okay, this is active, this is active, this is active right now, this active, this is active also, and this is active. Okay, so currently clicked card should be active. Okay, and it should be shown background color and the text is white. Okay, so just gonna achieve this here also. So I'm gonna copy the css only from here, just to save up a little bit of time. Okay, so copy this css from here and just come up here. I will explain you. There is nothing, there is no rocket science in this css. Okay, it says only background is this and background color is this and the color is white. Okay, for the text. Okay, so I'm gonna achieve it now. So just come up here and inside this. Okay, so we will be just saying here. Okay, so now on this card, okay, on this div I'm gonna concatenate the class. Okay, so to concatenate the class we have to do like this. Okay, so I'm gonna use here backtick. Okay, so just remove this, close this. I'm gonna use here the backtick also. So backtick, and now we are gonna concatenate the classes. Okay, so we will say like this. Okay, dollar open and closing braces to concatenate the class in React.js. Okay, so we have to say this like, so I'll say here active index. Okay, so active index. Okay, so first of all guys we have to, so guys first of all we have to use here the React hook called useState. Okay, so guys I'm gonna use here the React hook called useState to manage the previous and active state. Okay, to manage the previous and active state we have to use the useState hook in React.js. Okay, so I'm gonna use the useState hook to, okay, to achieve this functionality, okay, this active clickable active functionality, we have to use the user state as well. Okay, so I'm gonna use a state to achieve this functionality. Okay, this clickable functionality, I'm gonna use user state. Okay, so just come up to the code, and now we have to use a state also. So I will be just saying here, so just go to the parent component, go to the parent component, and inside the parent component I'm gonna use here. So first of all we have to import the user state hook from the React. Okay, I'm sorry for my voice. Okay, extremely sorry. So I'll say here const, we have to import the user state hook from the React. Okay, so use state from where? From React. Okay, so close it. So now guys, we are free to use the user state hook inside our React application, because we have now imported it from the React. Okay, now we have imported it from the React, so now we are free to use this user state hook inside our React application. Okay, so now we will just say here inside the main parent component. Okay, we will just say here const. Okay, const, and it is known as the array destructuring. Okay, so we will use here user state. Okay, and this is known as the array destructuring. Okay, inside React. So I will say here, so active index. Okay, and I will just create here this setter function also. So I'll say here set. Okay, set active index. Okay, so guys, this is known as the state variable. Okay guys, I'm sorry for my voice. Okay, so guys, this active index is known as the state variable. Okay guys, always remember this active index is known as the state variable, and this active, okay, set active index is known as the setter function. Okay, and through this setter function we will update, or we will modify this state variable. Okay guys, through this set active index updater function, or this setter function, we will update or modify this state variable called active index. Okay, let me just explain you one more time guys. Through this active index, okay, setter function or the getter updater function, we will just update or modify this active index state variable. Okay, as of now it's null. So now we will just say here that, okay, we will just say here, okay, so now come up, so copy this active index from here, and now we will just say here active index, okay, equal to this index. Okay, this index, so copy this index from here, and just paste it here. Okay, I'm sorry guys for my voice. Okay, I'm extremely sorry. So we will just say here, if it is true, we will just apply the active, okay, active to class. Otherwise we will just apply the empty or the blank class. Okay, so okay, so let me just check what is the issue. So let me just check what is the issue. Class name like this, card overflow hidden. So what is the issue? Okay, so like not like this. Backtick. So what is the issue here? Active index, or active index, so class name, card, margin top, overflow hidden. and active index. Let me guys just check what is the issue. Class name, and active. So we have to define a on click method also on this card. Okay, as you can see here, whenever user is clicking on the card, okay, on the card anywhere, okay, then only we will apply the active class. Okay, then only we are just applying the active class. Okay, on click. Okay, so you can see on click it is happening. So just come up here and we have to define here on click also a method name. On click equal to open and closing curly braces. We will just see here fat arrow function anonymous fat arrow function, and we will just give the method name also handle. Okay, handle uh, card. Okay, card clicked. Okay, card click handle card click. Okay, and we have to pass here the object also. So this item is now an object, entire object, and I'll just give the here index also. Okay, this index also we have to pass. Okay, so this is it. I'll just check here class name. Okay, what is the issue with the class name? So it's class name name. Okay, so class name. So what is the issue here? Card. Okay, so let me just check guys, give me 2 minutes. Okay, so okay, what is the issue here? So class name, okay, it is saying that this is not closed. It is saying that this is not closed. So let me just cut this everything from this div. Okay, to check if it is closed or not. Okay, so cut this out. Okay, so yeah, it's closed here, this is closed here, and this is closed here. So it's closed here, this is closed here, this closed here, and this is closed here. Okay, so everything is fine, there is no issue at all. Okay, so guys, there is a control Z now. Okay, control Z now. So let me just check it, what is the issue. So what is the issue? Let me just check in the example. Okay, so go to the example, it will save a lot of time. Okay, although there is no issue, I feel. Okay, there is no issue at all. So copy this from here, this class name from here, and just come up here and just replace this. Okay, just replace this on click. So come up here and just replace this. Yeah, so now it's let me just check guys, what is the issue with our code. Okay, so just control Z, control V, and control Z. Okay, I'm not getting guys, what is the issue. Okay, guys, there is an issue of this back tick. Okay guys, you can see here there is an issue with this back tick. Okay, so we have to use here back tick. Okay, so put here back tick. Okay, now it's solved. Okay, so now solved. So now we have to define this method also, handle card click in our parent component. Okay, in our parent component. So above this, okay, so below this, okay, so return I'm gonna click create here this method. Okay, so I'll say here const copy this method name. I'll use here the fat array function like this, or close this. So we are just passing here the item and the index also, so we have to grab this also in our function. So I'll grab as it is, I'll say here item, okay, and index, okay, as it is I will grab it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now we have to use this updater function. Okay, set active index, we have to use this updater function to update, to modify this active index, okay, dynamically. Okay, so as of now guys, let me just comment this, just save your code and go to the browser and see if it's work. Okay, it's working, so there is no issue. So guys, now as of now you can see here this active index previous value or the initial value is null. Okay, so guys, this active index initial value is now null, so instead of null try to put here 3. Okay, and save your code and go to the browser and see it's now active. Okay, the third element in the index is now active. Okay, say it's active now. Okay, so just check it if it's doing great. So put here 0, save your code and go to the browser. See, it's now active, the 0 element is now active. Okay, so just put here, I'll just say here 2. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser and see the second element in the array is now active. Okay, so this is 0 element, first element and the second element. Okay, so initially we had to make it, okay, dynamic. Okay, so as of now just let it be null only. So initially it should be null, so when the user click, okay, when the user click on any of the card, okay, then only we will apply the active class. Okay, whenever the user will click on any of the card, then only we will apply the active class dynamically, and we will just make this card, okay, active, okay, on which currently user has clicked, okay, dynamically. So just come up here and copy this set active index updater function from here, and inside this handle card click method just put here the index. Okay, just put here the index, because here we are checking here, this active index. Okay, this state variable. Okay, this state variable active index. Okay, this state variable active index we are checking here, active index. Okay, this active index equal to this index. Okay, this index. Okay, if it is equal to we will apply this active class. If it is not, we will apply this empty or blank class. Okay, so save your code and just go to the browser. Okay, so now click on the any of the card, okay, and see if this works or not. Okay, as intended. Okay, so as expected, if see if it is working or not. Okay, so click on this first card, see, boom guys, our code works. Guys, as expected, our code is doing fine, our code is doing great. Okay, so click Priya Kumari, boom guys, see, it's doing great. Click Ram Kumari Yadav, Riya Kumari Sharma, Pankaj Kumar Sharma, see, boom guys, it's doing great, it's doing mind blowing guys. Okay, our code is doing mind blowing. See, boom guys. So guys, now congratulations. Okay, one more time, because you have learned something, that how to make any card active when the user will click on any of the user profile card in React.js. Okay, so guys, congratulations. Okay, see, boom guys, our code is doing fine and doing great. Okay, so now our first goal have been achieved. Guys, we have achieved our this goal. Okay, whenever user will click on any of the card, it should be active. So we have achieved this goal. Okay, we have achieved this target. Okay, so guys, the next target is creating this. Okay, creating this. Okay, this dynamic card. Next is the target. Okay, so next target is this, creating dynamic card. Okay, whenever user will click on any of the card, we have to show the exactly that card here. Okay, exactly that card here we have to show like this, Priya Kumari, here Pravat Pandit, Deepak Kumar. So we have to show it. Okay, here in our code also. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna do that, we are gonna now achieve that. Okay, here also in our code. Okay, I'm sorry guys for my voice. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna create here one component. Okay guys, now we are gonna create here one component, and I have teach you that how to create a dynamic component in React.js. Okay, if you don't know how to create the component inside inside the React.js, then please guys watch my previous videos on how to create the dynamic component, this one. Okay, React component made easy, step by step guide for beginners. Okay, this guys watch this video. Okay, this video, if you don't know how to create dynamic components in React.js, it says the title is React component made easy, step by step for beginners. Okay, watch this video. Okay, if you don't know how to create the React component in React. Okay, so just come to the code now. So now we are going to create here one component. Okay, so I'm going to say here I hope you know how to create the component now in React.js, because I have taught you very well. Okay, in my previous videos as well. Okay, so I'm going to create here one const. Okay, I'll give here the small card. Okay, small card as a component name. Okay, and guys, it is compulsory, it is mandatory to use the capital letter, first capital letter, whenever you are defining the component name. Okay, so here you can see as is the capital, okay, of this small card component name. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the filter function. So I'll say here like this. Okay, so like this, open and closing braces, and this is it, and it has got multiple elements. We have to return multiple elements from this small card component. So we have to use here the wrapper div or the container div or JSX fragments. Okay, you are free to use anything, a wrapper div, a container div, or the JSX fragments. Okay, inside this small card components, because it has got multiple elements to return. Okay, I'm sorry guys for my voice, since I'm speaking since a long time. Okay, that's why like I'm doing like this. Okay, I'm very sorry for this behavior of mine. Okay, since I am speaking since a long time. Okay, that's why I'm doing like this. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm very sorry for this. Okay, I hope you will forgive me. Okay, and now we have to say here return, because we have to return all the things from the this small card components. So we have to close it, and it's compulsory, it's mandatory to use here one wrapper div or the container div or the JSX fragments. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the wrapper div. It also says container div also, we can say. So I'll just say here class name equal to, I'll just give here the card. Okay, class name is the card, I'll give here, and I'll just give here the style also on this element. Okay, so I'll just say here style equal to double open and closing braces. Okay, so guys, whenever we have to specify the style on the element inline style. Okay guys, always remember, inside the React.js, whenever you will or you have to specify the inline style, okay, we have to use the double open and closing curly braces. Okay, double open and closing curly braces whenever you have to specify the inline style on any of the element in React.js. Okay, so now I'll just say here width, I'll just say here width, I'll just say here 18 rem. Okay, so 18 rem, so this is it. Okay, so open this div. Okay, so now I'll just create here the img element. So I'll say here img, I'll just say here src. Okay, so img src open and closing braces. I'll give the class name also as a just give the class name also as a img fluid. Okay, img fluid. I'll just give here the class name, extra class name as a thumbnail. Okay, so thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail, and this is it. And okay, so thumbnail, this is it. So we have to close this tag also, because it is a self-closing tag. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and inside this div, below this img element, I'm gonna create here another div element. Okay, so close this first. I'll give the class name also as a card body. Okay, card body, and open this div, and inside this div we are gonna show all the things. Okay, So I'll just create here h5 element and close this. It's h5. Yep. So give the class name also. I'll just give you the class name as a card title. Okay, so card title, and we have to show here the name. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the strong element first. So I'll say here strong, close this, and I'll just say here name. Okay, so I'll just say here name. Okay, put a space, put colon, put a space. Okay, and guys, like I showed you guys how to pass the props inside the component. Okay, so let me just create a very small component for you guys. So let me just comment this out. Okay, I'm gonna let's just cut it. Okay, very quickly I'm gonna create here the small component. Okay, so I'll say here const small comp. Okay, comp means component equal to, I'll use here the filter function like this, close this, and I'll just say here return. Okay, so open and closing parenthesis, and return, create a container div. So I'll say here container div. Okay, container div. Yep, and inside this div I'll just return the name. Okay, inside the h1 element I'll just return the name. Okay, so as of now, so let's just save this. Okay, whatever I have cut, there is a clipboard, so we have to paste it inside this. Okay, so paste it here, it will save a lot of time. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now we have to give here dummy. Okay, dummy text. Okay, dummy text. Okay, so copy this small component name from here, and if we want to show this dummy text to the browser, to the user, so what we have to do, we have to just copy this small component name from here, and inside the parent component. Okay, inside the parent component, below this div, we have to just do like this. Okay, so this is the component. Okay, and this is the parent component. Okay, this parent component, and this is the component. If we want to show this dummy text to the browser, to the user, so we have to do like this. Okay, so just save your code, go to the browser, and just see the output. Okay, you can see here, we got to see here dummy text. Okay, we got to see here dummy text. Okay, so now to make it dynamic, what we have to do, we have to do like this. Okay, we have to pass here the props. Okay, so we have to pass a prop like this. Okay, we have to say here inside the open and closing parenthesis, we have to say here open and closing curly braces also, and we have to pass prop like this. Okay, so name is known as the name prop to this small component. Okay, so name is the prop to this small component. Okay, to show the dynamic value, what we have to say, we have to just remove this and say here this name. Okay, this name inside the open and closing braces, because we all know to show the things to the browser, to the user, we have to use it inside the open and closing curly braces. Okay, I hope you know this. Okay, so now we have here, so we will just pass like name. Okay, so we will just pass name like, okay, like this. Okay, so I'll say here er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so save your code and go to the browser and see the output. Okay, you can see here. Yep, guys, you can see here er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so this is now dynamic. Okay, so this is coming from the component. Okay, this er Prabhat is coming from the component, so it is dynamic. I'm sorry guys, so now we can say here er Priya Kumari. Okay, so Kumari. Okay, so now er Priya Kumari will be shown. See, it's er Priya Kumari. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now very quickly we have to make our component also. So just copy this from here, I mean cut it from here, close this, and just go up, and below this we have to create our component. Okay, so now guys, here also I'm gonna pass the props. Okay, so here also I'm gonna pass the prop. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. We are gonna pass the prop here also. I'll just say here small comp. Okay, yep, like this also prop name we have to pass here also. Okay, so I'm gonna pass here the prop also. I'll pass the prop as a img say image src. So this is the one prop known as the image src. Okay, to this small card component. Okay, so I'll pass another prop. I'll say here title. I'll pass another prop as a profile. I'll pass another prop as a description. Okay, so this is what we are gonna show. So to show this, what we have to say here, img src, like this. Okay, like this guys. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is like this. Okay, so I hope guys you are getting me what I'm doing here. Okay, so I'll just give here the class name, and this I'll give the alt also, alt attribute to this img element like this. I'll give here alt as a title. Okay, so just say here alt as a title, and now just copy this h5 element from here and paste below it, and I'll just say here the profile. Okay, to show the profile, and just say here open and closing braces, and to show the profile we have to copy this prop name from here, profile, and we have to paste it here. And to show the name, okay, so open and closing braces, to show the name we will just copy this title from here and just paste it here. This is it. I'm gonna create here para element below this h5 element, so p, and close this p, and just give here the class name also. I'll say here, I'm sorry, as a card text. Okay, so I'll just copy this strong from here and just paste below inside this, give a space, and just change this text to, I'll say here description. Okay, des for description. To show the description, what we have to say, open and closing braces, and we have to show this prop description value here. Okay, so this is it guys. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now we will use this small card component. Okay, go to the example first. This is the example. So guys, this is the small card component. Okay, so this is the component. I have made it dynamic. Okay, I have made it dynamic. Okay, see, it's dynamic. Okay, it's dynamic now. Okay, so now we will achieve it also inside our code here also. So just come up here, and now what we have to say, we have to use here another useState hook from the React. Okay, so we have to use another useState hook from the React, and I'm gonna change this name to, I'll just say here active. Okay, active text. Okay, and I'll say here set active text. Okay, as a updater function. Okay, or as a setter function to, okay, to this active text state variable. Okay, state variable. Okay, so as of now it's also null. So now just come up here, go down. Okay, go down to the function. Okay, this function. Okay, handle card click. Okay, come here, and now we will just copy this set active text. Okay, like a setter function from here, and we will just say here this, and we will just pass this item object item. So now this item is an object. Okay guys, this item now is an object. Okay, and inside JavaScript, object is considered as a truthy. Okay guys, inside the JavaScript, object is considered as a truthy. It is not false. Inside JavaScript, object is considered as a truthy. It is not false. Okay, so based on this condition that item item object is now truthy. Okay, because it is an object, we are gonna just show the dynamic content. Okay, so to do this, what we have to do here, we have to, okay, we have to first check the condition. Okay, we have to first check the condition. So above this raw, okay, above this raw element, we are gonna check the conditions first. Okay, so I'll just check the condition first. I'll just say here open and closing braces, because we all know we are working with the React.js. So it's mandatory, it's compulsory to use open and closing braces to show the expression value, to show the variable value, to show the function value. Okay, so we have to use open and closing braces. Okay, sorry. So now we will just check. Okay, so we will just check here. So we will just check here that, okay, this state variable active index, okay, this state variable active index is true or not, okay, before showing the value or the dynamic cards. Okay, so we will just say here, okay, like this we will say here. Okay, okay, so does not equal to null. Okay, does not equal to null, and and active index. Okay, active index, active index. Okay, active index. Okay, active index. Okay, does not equal to does not equal to uh, does not equal to undefined. Okay, undefined. If it is not the case, and, okay, and so now, and we will just show the card. Okay, so we will just show the card. Okay, so inside I am gonna create here another div. Okay, inside this I am gonna create here another div, give the class name also as a, first close this div. I'm sorry for my voice. So container, I'll give here margin top 4, give margin 4, and open this div, and inside this div we have to use this small card component I showed you. So copy this small card component. It has got img src prop, title prop, profile prop, and description prop, and we have shown here the img src, title prop, profile prop, and description prop to this small card component. Okay, so copy this card component name, and here just paste it, not like this, we have to say like this. Okay, so make it multi-line. So we have to pass this img src value also, like I passed here. Okay, I showed you guys. Okay, I hope you are getting me what I'm doing here. Okay, like this, like name prop I have shown here, like name prop I have given here, this is the name prop, and its value is er Priya Kumari. Okay, so like here also guys, here also I have given here the name prop value as a er Priya Kumari, and it has got one prop also, name. Okay, name, and I have given the name, I am showing the name here also, and I have given here the name value to this name prop, and the value is er Priya Kumari. So like here also we are gonna do this. Okay, so we are gonna do this to this small card component also. So I'll say here I am it's img src. Okay, what img src, we will say here open and closing braces. So we will say here this active text. Okay, this active text dot, okay, this active text dot this profile pic, to show the profile pic dynamically, okay, profile pic, and profile pic, and profile pic dynamically to show this. Okay, so copy this profile pic from here, key, and paste it here. This is it. So now we will just see here title prop value, we are going to do this now. So this is the title prop value. I'll just say here this just do one thing, copy this. Okay, later on we will replace this. Okay, so to show the title, what we will say here, this name. Okay, Pankaj Kumar Sharma, Riya Kumari Sharma, Ram Kumar Yadav, Deepak Kumar, Priya Kumari, er Prabhat Pandit. Copy this key or the property name from here, and just replace this. Okay, so now we are gonna give the profile value, profile equal to, we will say here open and closing braces like this. So copy this active text dot name, and we will just replace this. So now to show the profile or the title, we will just copy this title: Angular developer, web developer, Vue.js developer, React developer, Java developer, and developer. So copy this title from here and just replace this. This is it. And now we will just give here the description prop value. So this is the description prop value. We will say here active text. It's active text dot. We will just show the description here. So copy this description: Vue developer, okay, web developer, Angular developer, React developer. So make capital R. Okay, so React developer, Java developer, and ServiceNow developer. So copy this description from here and give this as a prop description value to this small card component. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is it. So guys, now just save your code, finger crossed, and go to the browser and now click anywhere on any of the profile card. Okay, click Priya Kumari. See, boom guys, our code works. Guys, you can see our code is working great. See, currently Priya Kumari card is clicked, and here we can see the same card here also. Okay guys, congratulations, our code works. Guys, our code works. See how it is doing great, it is doing dynamic. Okay, so click Prabhat Pandit. See, boom guys, it is active now, and we can see the same card here also. Click Deepak Kumar. See, it is active now, it is active now, and we can see the same card here also of Deepak Kumar Sharma, profile React.js developer, and description is React developer at InfoBeans. Okay, click on Ram Kumar Yadav. See, Ram Kumar Yadav profile card. Click on Riya Kumari Sharma. It's active now, and we can see the same card here also. Click on Pankaj Kumar Sharma. See, Vue.js developer. So Pankaj Kumar Sharma, Vue.js developer. So guys, to bring this card into the center, okay guys, we have to bring this card into the center. Okay, so just go to the code, and now I'm gonna just give here the div, container div. Okay, so I'll just give here the container div. I'll just give the class name as a I'll just give here mx auto. I'll just give here width of 25px. Okay, and just close this div here. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser, and now click anywhere. See, now it's into the center of the screen. Okay, so Prabhat Pandit, Prabhat Pandit, Deepak Kumar. So we have to put here the overflow hidden. Okay, to make it look like rounded border corner. Okay, rounded corner. We have to give here the overflow hidden also. So I'll just give here the overflow hidden also. So go to the card component, and we have to give here overflow hidden class. Okay, save your code, go to the browser, and now click anywhere. See, now it's looking cool with the small little rounded corner. Okay, rounded corner. So this is currently clicked, currently active Priya Kumari card. So you can see here the same card here also. Click on Prabhat Pandit. See, it's active now. Click on Deepak Kumar Sharma. It's active. Prabhat Pandit, Deepak, Priya Kumari. See, it's active. Deepak Kumar, it's active. Ram Kumar Yadav, it's currently active, and you can see here the same card, Ram Kumar Yadav, Angular developer, and description is Angular developer at LNT Technology. So Pankaj Kumar Sharma, profile is Vue developer. So name is Pankaj Kumar Sharma, profile is Vue developer, description is Vue developer at Abitu. Click on Riya Kumari Sharma profile card. It's active now, and we can see the same profile card here. Okay, Riya Kumari Sharma, profile is web developer, description is web developer at LNT. Okay, so it's dynamic and fully working. Okay, okay, so I hope guys we have achieved our today's target of this video, of this session. So this is the example. Okay, this is the example. Okay, and this is doing great also, and this is what we have made right now in this video, in this session. Okay, and it is also kicking very fast and doing dynamic and mind-blowing. Okay, so guys, I hope we have achieved our today's target, and now you know the last method also, the third method also, to display the dynamic cards in React.js. Okay, with me Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also. guys, it's a request from a friend to a friend, it's a request from a brother to a brother. Okay, please guys, help me and promote me and support me. Okay, and the only way you can help me and the only way you can promote me and the only way you can help me is by subscribing to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also. Okay, and please guys, like all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos like this on each and every topic of web development as well as full stack development also. So guys, I hope guys, I know that my voice is little faster now, because I am speaking constantly since 1.5 hours. So I think my voice, I am speaking little faster. Okay, I know guys, I am speaking little faster, so I'm sorry for this. Okay, I hope you would be able to get me. I hope you would be able to understand me what I'm trying to say. Okay, I hope my voice is clear to you, my voice is audible to you. Okay, I'm sorry for my speed. Okay, I know I'm speaking little faster now, but it's okay. The session is now over, and I hope guys, I have teach you something dynamic, something great, something unique in this video, in this session, on this series of React. Okay, that we all know we are on a journey to become a great and dynamic React.js developer in coming 3 to 4 months. Okay, so guys, this will be the fifth video on this series. Okay, to become a great and dynamic React.js developer in coming 3 to 4 months. Okay, and I hope guys, I have taught you something great, something unique in this video, in this session. Okay, so guys, if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also. Okay, and guys, still you have any doubt, any query, although I have explained you very well, very deep also, to the core, to the deep also, still guys you have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys, do ask me in the comment section below. I'll try to resolve it, I'll try to address it, and I'll definitely try to give you the solution as well. Okay, so we hope guys, we have come to the end of this video, end of this session. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.